today's video, I'll be showing you how you can start Amazon FBA with as little as £200. So Amazon FBA is becoming more and more popular, which means more and more people want to do it. It's often thought that you need thousands of pounds to get involved, and we're going to be showing today that that is not true, and you can do this with as little as £200. So to do this, we recommend using the online or retail arbitrage methods. This is where you are buying items from retail stores, online or in store. With this method, you don't have minimum order quantities, you don't have to set up a limited company in order to purchase products from them, as a lot of wholesalers will require you to have a limited company, and this does mean that it is very accessible for everybody. Arbitrage is the main method our members use, and you'll see some of their results showing across the screen right now. Today, I'm going to be showing you the types of products which you can be buying for under £200 in order for you to get started. Now, it is important to remember that there are a few other costs involved if you want to get started with Amazon FBA other than just buying the stock. You do have software subscription, you will have an Amazon seller subscription, and you'll also have costs for printers or packaging and so on. Now, if you do want to see more about the costs involved, make sure to check out my previous video, which I'll just link to the top right hand side of the screen. So these costs, which you can't get around, probably will come to about £100. So because of that, these products which I'm going to be showing, we're going to be imagining that we're only spending £100 on products. That means we've got £100 left over in order for our costs, our subscription, if we do need a printer, if we do need any packaging or anything like that. So it's just £100 we're going to be spending on products today. Okay, so this first product we have is from ASIN, and it's this polytar shampoo. We can buy it for £5.50. If we head over to Amazon, we can see that this exact same product is currently selling on Amazon for £18.99. So buying it for £5.50, selling on Amazon for £18.99. Now, let's have a quick look at the data to see what it is saying. So we'll just load up the Profitl extension. We'll just put the ASIN in here and the price, so £5.50. So here we go, we can see it's selling a huge amount, 810 to 1,380 a month, 848 5-star reviews. This one has got an incredible profit on it, 134% ROI, meaning an estimated profit of £7.35 per unit. Now, there is slightly more FBA sellers than what we'd usually go for. Typically we'd want under 5. However, when you have got an item which has very high profit, you can definitely look at this one. So what we would do is we would check the stock of other sellers to see how much stock they've got. But once we're happy with all this data, we then look to buy the units and send them into Amazon's warehouse. So with this product being £5.50 each, that means with our £100, we could buy 18 units of this product. So these 18 units at £7.35 profit per unit, that would return us profits of £132. So then with our cost of buying as well, that would bring us back revenue of £232 just from an investment of £100. Now, it is very important to take that with a slight pinch of salt, because obviously there's no guarantee that this price is going to stay at this price. There is a very good chance that this price will start to come down. However, even if that price does come down, there's still great opportunity to make really good profit just on this item alone. Okay, so the next product we have is this Sanex Biome Protect bath and shower oil. We can buy one of these on Asda for £2.40. So both of these are coming from Asda today. Asda is always a great website. We found this listing on Amazon where we can sell a pack of 3 for £19.53. So that means 3 of these will be £7.20, and we'd be selling it for £19.53. So let's have a look at the data on Profitl. We'll just take the ASIN, and we'll just put the price in here, and we'll have a look to see what the information is saying. So we can see it's selling 30 to 90 units a month, not as many as the other listing. However, there's only 3 FBA sellers on this product, which is fantastic. This one's another great ROI, so it's a 73% return on investment, meaning £5.25 profit per unit, 157 5-star reviews as well, and no risks either. So this looks like a great buy. So again, once happy, we'd then look to buy this product. So 3 of these for 1 unit is £7.20. We'd just combine these together to make them 1 unit and send them in. For our £100 at a £7.20 buy price per unit, that means we could buy 13 of these. At this current sale price and profit of £5.25 per unit, that would return us £68.25 in profit. So then when we get our £100 back as well, that means we're getting back £168.25 for spending £100. And just to say again, it is important to take this with a pinch of salt because there's no guarantee that this price will stay this high. But this is why we spend so much time analysing the deals, analysing the graphs, just so we can minimize the risk of the price dropping down too much. And if you did want to see how we analyze a graph, make sure to check out my previous video, which I'll just link above. So as you can see, both of these products, you could buy multiple units for £100 and you could get back really good returns. If you did have £100, you'd be better off actually buying both products and doing half the amount, because that way you minimize your risk for any changes on the listing. But all we would do is just keep repeating this process and keep reinvesting the profits. Now, it is important to remember that this is not an overnight thing and this will take time to grow, as with any business. And obviously the more money you can afford to invest, the quicker you can scale it. But we hope this video has showed that it is possible to start Amazon FBA with £200, which means that probably anyone in the UK or in the US, wherever you are, can get involved with Amazon FBA. So I hope you found that video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already doing so. If you did want to join Profitl, all the links are in the bio. But thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.